everyone, and welcome to this week's assembly. It's a very special week because this week is Children's Mental Health Week. It's also the week when we have been demonstrating the character strength of gratitude, and the two do go hand in hand very well. And so what we wanted to do is something quite special for you this week, with it being Children's Mental Health Week. So we've actually got our student voice team who have put together a video for you on what mental health is and the things we can do to support our mental health. And so they will speak to you a little bit more about that in a moment. The first thing I wanted to talk to you about was a survey that you all did at the start of the year. So in that survey, some of you answered questions about how you were feeling, what you were thinking, the experiences that you had during online learning, and how you were feeling about being back in school. And what you said was you were really happy to be back in school, and that you were so excited to see your teachers and your friends, and you felt a great sense of belonging to your school. And so they were all great things for us to hear about you being back in school. There were some things that you said you were finding a little bit tricky, and so they are some of the things we're going to talk about today with the Student Voice Wellbeing team. One of the things that you said was that sometimes when you feel worried, you're not sure what you should do. You don't know what to do to make yourself feel better when you're worried. So that's one of the things that we're going to talk about today. So hopefully by the end of this assembly, you guys will have lots of ideas of things that you can do when you're feeling worried. So I'm going to hand you over now to our fantastic Student Voice Wellbeing group who have worked tremendously hard to put together this assembly for you. So thank you to all of the Student Voice Wellbeing team.
This week is Children's Mental Health Week, so what does that mean? I can explain. It's all about the way you think and feel. When I feel worried, this is what my head is like.
Each day we have lots of different emotions. We can feel happy, sad, worried, excited, or angry. When I feel worried, my head feels like this.
During COVID-19, many children feel worried and confused. They were worried about two things: their family and their friends. They also worried about the things they saw on the news. When we get worried, our heart beats faster and our brain gets full. When we feel worried, our brain feels like this.
When we feel sad or we have a tricky situation, it is normal to feel worried. But there are some things we can do to help us feel calm. When I feel worried, my head feels like this.
How do we start to feel calm? We can take 3 deep breaths. When we breathe, we feel calm. When we're calm, our thoughts start to settle. We can be brave and face our worries by speaking to an adult. We can also do mindful coloring. When we relax, our thoughts start to settle.
To feel calm, we can take a breath and count to 10. We can think about 3 things we're grateful for. When we feel grateful, our thoughts start to settle.
Sometimes when I feel sad, I need to use calming music. When I feel sad or afraid, I listen to calming music. When I also feel sad, I also do mindful coloring. When my worries are too big, I have to speak to an adult. That might be my mom, dad, friend, or even teacher. And then when I speak to somebody, my emotions feel calm.
This year's been a tough year from COVID-19. It's best if we stick together and always help each other out when friends are needed. When you're feeling worried, ask your friends around you. A problem shared is a problem halved. Now you guys have an activity to do in your classrooms. Spend 5 to 10 minutes thinking about what makes you have a good day when you're down. Write 3 strategies that make you happy when you're feeling down. For example, you can list 3 things you're grateful for.
Let's all try starfish breathing. Press your hand like this and then put this finger on the bottom of your thumb.
When we put our finger up, we breathe in. When we put our finger down, we breathe out. Now follow me.
Now we feel calm, our glitter is settled.
Thank you all for watching, and we hope you have a good day.